Okay, so today I'm going to do something really fun, and I'm going to share with you the top 10 reasons that I think you may want to join NEXA as a mortgage loan originator. So let's get after it right now. Hey, if this is your first time at the channel and you want to know everything there is to know about working at NEXA Mortgage and growing a business here at NEXA, then go ahead and tap that little subscribe button, ding that little bell, and you'll be among the first to be notified anytime I drop a new video. And I do drop a new video about NEXA Mortgage every single week. Now, if you're an originator out there thinking about making a switch and have an interest in NEXA, then go ahead and shoot me off a text, give me a call, shoot me off an email, or even use that little link below and schedule a one-on-one, because I got your back when thinking about making that move to NEXA. Now, let's dig into that top 10 list. Reason number 1, payday is every day. Now, how cool is that? Have you ever wondered why real estate agents get paid at closing or the day after closing, but yet originators have to wait 2, 3, sometimes maybe even 4 weeks before they get paid? Heck, I was talking to an originator who on average waits 45 to 60 days before she gets her paychecks on her closings. Now, NEXA has completely revolutionized this and is doing payday 2 times a day, once in the late morning and once in the late afternoon. So you only have to do 3 things once the loan is closed so that you get paid. And that is to, number 1, verify that NEXA has actually received the funds. Number 2, do about 3 minutes of compliance works, basically checking dates inside of your LendingPad account. And number 3, tell LendingPad the file is closed. Then your pay should hit your bank account in about 24 to 48 hours. Number 2, we have over 200 wholesale lenders we work with. And this is especially important if you're coming from the retail side, right? As a retail originator, have you ever had to call another loan officer with something like this? Hey Sue, can you do an FHA 10% down with a 511 credit score? So I've gotten this call before. Hey Paul, this is Barry over at XYZ Mortgage. My own company can't do my loan. Can you do it for me? And the answer to that one was yes, and it funded very quickly. So I've got a quick question for you. How many wholesale lenders do you have access to at your mortgage company? If it's less than 200, then you're going to give yourself a huge competitive advantage over here at NEXA Mortgage. And number 3 is lower wholesale rates. You see, when you've got 2,200 loan officers and over 200 wholesale lenders out there, those lenders compete a little bit for our business. And yeah, a lot of our originators are doing 10 to 20 deals a month. And so when lenders compete, Nexans win. So have you ever had to call another LO with a scenario like this? Hey Sue, what kind of rate and program can you get for a VA loan, 10% down, 787 credit score? And have them just blow away your rates? So I've got a question for you. Are you up to a challenge? If you are, then let's compare what we've got to what you've got. Give me a call or schedule a time and we will do a rate and program comparison and see how your rates stack up against ours. And number 4, instant support. Yeah, I know what you're thinking, but Paul, I can walk down the hall, go talk to my manager and get the support I need right then and there. But what if your manager's not available? What if he's in a meeting or she's in a meeting and you can't reach them? Now, the beauty of being cloud-based is that I can hop onto loan officer support, click that little Zoom button and talk to anybody that I need to talk to, whether it's payroll, accounting, compliance, or anything. So regardless of what you need help with, you can jump on a Zoom call at any point in time and get that help instantly. Number 5, marketing and personal branding. Are you making your own marketing content right now? Stop that, man, because guess what? NEXA has partnered with MLO Box, which is a loan officer marketing company, to bring you branded marketing every single day. So basically, you wake up, you log into loan officer support, and then you've got 2 or 3 flyers right there ready for you to go, to post on social media, to hand out to realtors, or whatever it is that you need to do with them. And you'll have all the marketing you need for targeting consumers, for targeting real estate agents, and for targeting other loan originators. And I got to tell you from personal experience, I have taken those social media flyers and posted them on Facebook as well as Instagram and LinkedIn, by the way, and I've gotten realtor referrals and actually other originators calling me about those flyers. And number 6, contract processors. And this is one of my favorite things. You see, NEXA Mortgage has access to over 500 contract processors in the dashboard. And you can view their ratings, their rankings, and pick them. You can do Zoom calls with them and interview them and decide which ones that you really like. But they tend to be rock stars. Well, why are they so good? Well, first, they're on 100% commission. Basically, if the loan doesn't close, they don't get paid. And second, you can check out the reviews, and if they got the thumbs down, don't use them. And third, you can find processors who excel with specific niches. So let's say you're in Arizona and you need a loan or a processor to do a fix and flip loan. Well, all you do is log into the loan officer support. You put you're from Arizona. You state that you're looking for a fix and flip processor, and you can hit that little Zoom button and you'd be talking to that processor right now. And I want to add too that by using contract processors, you're not forced to work with any specific processor. You get to choose who you want to work with. And number 7 is we have big time benefits. A lot of people refer to them as Fortune 500 type benefits. Now I know what you're thinking, that right now if you're at a big time retailer that you're going to be losing out on something benefit wise. Well, that's probably not accurate. We've got all the benefits. We've got medical, dental, teledoc, something called RX Help to help with lower prescription costs. You can even use an HSA or an FSA. So if you want to know more about the benefits packages, just reach out to me. Number 8, you can get up to 275 basis points. Yeah, as a retail loan officer, you might be making maybe 125, 150, but at NEXA, you're gonna start out at 220. And if you're a producer doing $3 million a month, once you hit that $3 million mark, you're up to 275. And if you're connected and you introduce producing LOs to NEXA Mortgage, you have the potential to earn 275 basis points right out of the gate. And number 9 is revenue share. And really that's what got me over here to NEXA Mortgage, and I'm super excited about it, and I'm excited to share it with you as well. Basically what you do is you can build a mortgage brokerage inside of a mortgage brokerage without any of the headaches, without any of the hiring, without any of the issues of compliance or expenses. And so if you know a few loan officers out there who are looking for something more, maybe aren't getting what they were promised at their current companies, then it's time to start that conversation. And that brings us to number 10. We are licensed in 48 states plus DC, Puerto Rico, and the Virgin Islands. And what's cool about that is, just like we talked about in revenue share, if you want to build up your mortgage brokerage, build up your team, you can do it across state lines. And the other thing that's cool about that too is if you get a referral for a state that you're not in, you can refer it out to NEXA and get paid on it still. So there you have it. That's the top 10 reasons originators are coming over here to NEXA Mortgage. So the next step for you is to watch that video that's on the screen and then shoot me off a text message or give me a call, and we'll talk about opportunities here for you. But watch that video first. I'll see you in the next video.